The iPhone 17 Pro Max is coming, and the leaks are absolutely game-changing. Today we're breaking down the top 10 leaks that could revolutionize your smartphone experience. From materials to cameras, from battery life to performance, every aspect of this device is getting a major upgrade. Leak number 1. Apple is switching from titanium back to aluminum. This means a lighter, more comfortable device that's easier to hold for extended periods. Leak number 2. The back design is completely changing. The camera lenses are more spaced out and sensors have been repositioned for better performance. Leak number 3. Finally, new colors for the Pro models. A bold orange and sophisticated blue join the classic black, white, and gray options. Leak number 4. An anti-reflective coating makes the screen crystal clear in any lighting. No more struggling to see your screen in sunlight or under harsh indoor lights. Leak number 5. The dynamic island is getting smaller, giving you more immersive viewing for videos and games. Plus a 24-megapixel front camera upgrade. Leak number 6. The battery is finally getting bigger, potentially exceeding 5,000 mAh for true all-day power. Leak number 7. The A19 Pro chip delivers 25 to 30% better performance while being more energy efficient. Plus a custom modem for better connectivity. Leak number 8. RAM jumps from 8 to 12 gigabytes, meaning smoother multitasking and better support for advanced AI features. Leak number 9. The telephoto camera gets a massive upgrade to 48 megapixels with 8x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects into crystal clear focus. Leak number 10. Dual recording lets you capture from front and back cameras simultaneously. Perfect for vlogs, reactions, and creative storytelling. These aren't just incremental updates. They're revolutionary changes that make the iPhone 17 Pro Max a true leap forward in mobile technology. From aluminum construction to 8x zoom, from all-day battery to dual recording, this could be the most exciting iPhone in years. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.